Hello, my friend. Welcome to Super English Talks. I'm so happy you're here today. In this lesson, we will work on your English pronunciation. We will use tongue twisters, fun, short sentences that help you speak English more clearly and naturally. Tongue twisters are not just funny games. They are special exercises for your mouth and tongue. When you practice them, your mouth learns how to move in the right way to make English sounds. It's just like going to the gym, but for your mouth. When you go to the gym, your body becomes strong. When you practice tongue twisters, your mouth becomes strong too. Many English learners have trouble with some sounds, for example, R, L, or TH. Don't worry. Today we will fix these problems together. After this lesson, speaking English will feel easier and smoother for you. Even professional speakers and actors practice tongue twisters every day. They know these exercises make their speech clear, beautiful, and confident. Now, it's your turn to learn their secret. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's begin our pronunciation workout. Warm-up exercises. Before we start the hard practice, we need to wake up your mouth. Just like you warm up before running or playing sports, we need to warm up your face muscles and tongue before pronunciation practice. Let's do it step by step. First, open your mouth wide, like you are very tired and yawning. Say ah. Then close your mouth slowly. Do this 3 times. This helps your jaw muscles wake up. Now, move your tongue around inside your mouth. Touch your left cheek with your tongue. Now touch your right cheek. Now touch the top of your mouth. Now touch behind your front teeth. Your tongue is the most important part for making English sounds. We must make it strong and ready. Okay, you are ready for your first easy tongue twister. Repeat after me slowly. Red leather, yellow leather. Say it again, but slower. Red leather, yellow leather. Good job. This tongue twister helps your mouth move smoothly. Now your mouth is awake and ready to work. Practice 1. The English R sound. The English R sound is very special. It's not the same as in many other languages. A lot of students find this sound difficult, but don't worry, we will learn it step by step. Here's the secret. When you say the English R, your tongue does not touch anything in your mouth. In many languages, your tongue touches your teeth or the top of your mouth. But not in English. For the English R, your tongue should curl back a little, but it should not touch anything. Just make a curved shape with your tongue. The sound comes from that curved shape. Let's practice with an easy sentence. Repeat after me. Red roses are really beautiful. Feel your tongue. It's curved but not touching anything. Let's say it again slowly. Red roses are really beautiful. Good. Now let's try a fun tongue twister that English children use in school. Round and round the big rocks the man ran. This sentence has many R sounds close together. It makes your tongue practice the right position many times. Say it slowly first. Round and round the big rocks the man ran. Now say it faster. Round and round the big rocks the man ran. Excellent. You're doing great. Let's try one more. This one is harder, so take your time. Robert's robot really repairs radios. It's okay if it feels strange or difficult. That means your mouth is learning something new. Repeat again. Robert's robot really repairs radios. Very nice. You're improving already. Practice 2. The TH sounds. Now let's learn another special English sound, the TH sound. This sound is very strange for many people because it doesn't exist in most other languages. Actually, English has 2 kinds of TH sounds. The first TH is in words like this, that, these, and those. When you say these words, your throat vibrates a little. Put your hand on your throat and say, this, that. Do you feel the vibration? That's the first TH sound. The second TH is in words like think, 30, and Thursday. For these words, your throat does not vibrate. Only air comes out. Here's how to make both TH sounds. Put the tip of your tongue between your teeth. Don't bite it. Just rest it gently between your teeth and blow air out. Let's practice the first TH, the one with vibration. Repeat after me slowly. This and that and these and those. Say it again, slowly and clearly. This and that and these and those. Good. Now try the second TH, the one with air only. Repeat after me. Think, thin, thick, Thursday. Try it again. Think, thin, thick, Thursday. Perfect. You're doing amazing. Practice tip. Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly. The goal is not to be fast. The goal is to be clear and correct. If you practice every day, even for 5 minutes, your pronunciation will become stronger and smoother. You will feel more confident when you speak English. Remember, your mouth is like a small machine. Tongue twisters help you train that machine to work perfectly. Let's put everything together. Repeat these sentences after me. Red roses are really beautiful. Round and round the big rocks the man ran. Robert's robot really repairs radios. This and that and these and those. Think and think every Thursday. Excellent job. Take a deep breath. Smile. You just finished a full pronunciation workout. In this part, we'll practice 4 more sounds that many English learners find difficult. TH, W, V, and L. Don't worry, we'll go slowly, step by step. Let's start with the TH sounds. The TH sounds. English has 2 TH sounds, and both are very important. The first TH is in words like this, that, these, and those. When you say these words, your throat vibrates a little bit. Let's try it together. Put your hand on your throat and say, this, that, these, those. Do you feel that small vibration in your throat? That's correct. Good job. Let's do it again slowly. This and that and these and those. Feel that gentle buzzing in your throat? That's the first TH sound. Now let's learn the second TH sound. This one is in words like think, and 30. For this sound, there is no vibration in your throat. Just gentle air moving between your teeth. Put your tongue between your teeth softly, don't bite it, and blow air out. Repeat after me. I think 30 people thought about it. No vibration this time. Just soft air through your teeth. Let's say it again slowly. I think 30 people thought about it. Perfect. Now, here's a fun one that mixes both TH sounds together. The 30 thieves thought they saw something. This sentence makes your mouth switch between the 2 different TH sounds. It's like a workout for your tongue and mouth. Say it slowly with me. The 30 thieves thought they saw something. And again, a little faster. The 30 thieves thought they saw something. Nice work. That was excellent practice. The W and V sounds. Now let's move to another common problem, the W and V sounds. Many English learners mix these up because they sound a little similar. But in English, they are very different, and mixing them can change the meaning of words completely. For example, the words wine and vine sound close, but they mean 2 very different things. Let's learn how to make them correctly. The W sound. For the W sound, use both lips. Make your lips round like you are going to whistle or blow a kiss. Both lips come forward and make a small circle shape. Repeat after me slowly. We walked west while the wind was strong. Keep your lips round for every W sound. Try again. We walked west while the wind was strong. Good. Keep those lips round and soft. The V sound. Now let's practice the V sound. This one is different. Your bottom lip should touch your top teeth just a little bit. It's like you're gently biting your bottom lip. Air comes out between your teeth and lip to make the V sound. Let's practice together. Victor visited his village very often. Feel that gentle touch between your lip and teeth on every V. That's it, perfect. Let's try again slowly. Victor visited his village very often. Excellent. W and V together. Now, here comes the hard part, switching between both sounds quickly. This makes your mouth move from the round lips for W to the lip bite position for V. Let's practice a sentence that uses both sounds. We visited various places while wolves were walking. That's a mouth exercise. Say it again, slowly. We visited various places while wolves were walking. Great job. Your mouth is learning how to switch between these sounds smoothly. The L sounds. Now, let's move to another important sound, the L sound. English actually has two types of L sounds, but don't worry, native speakers don't even think about it. You can learn it easily, too. The first type of L comes at the beginning of words, like love or like. The second type comes at the end of words, like call or ball. Let's learn the first one. Light L at the beginning of words. Put your tongue tip on the area just behind your top front teeth. Keep it there while you make the sound. Let's practice together. Lucy likes to look at little lamplights. Feel how your tongue touches the same place each time. Try again. Lucy likes to look at little lamplights. Good job. That's the light L. Dark L at the end of words. Now, let's learn the second type, the dark L. This happens when L is at the end of words. Your tongue tip goes to the same place, just behind your teeth. But the back of your tongue moves down, making a deeper sound. Let's try it together. Paul will call all tall people. Do you hear that deeper sound at the end of each word? That's the dark L. Let's say it again slowly. Paul will call all tall people. Excellent. Both L sounds together. Now, let's practice a sentence that has both types of L. This will help your tongue switch naturally between them. Repeat after me. Little children like to play ball games. This sentence mixes light and dark L sounds. Your mouth switches between them automatically. Let's say it again. Little children like to play ball games. Beautiful. You did it perfectly. Let's review all the sentences we learned today. Repeat slowly after me. This and that and these and those. I think 30 people thought about it. The 30 thieves thought they saw something. We walked west while the wind was strong. Victor visited his village very often. We visited various places while wolves were walking. Lucy likes to look at little lamplights. Paul will call all tall people. Little children like to play ball games. You did a wonderful job. You practiced so many sounds, th, w, v, and l, and your mouth is getting stronger with every sentence. We've already practiced many English sounds like r, th, w, v, and l. Now, it's time for the final part of our pronunciation journey. In this lesson, we'll work on the s and sh sounds, and then we'll try some of the hardest tongue twisters in English. Are you ready for the final challenge? Let's begin. The S and SH sounds. These two sounds are very different, but many English learners mix them up. The difference is in where you put your tongue and how the air moves. Let's learn the difference step by step. For the S sound, put your tongue tip close to the area just behind your top front teeth. Don't touch your teeth, just keep your tongue very close. Blow out a thin stream of air. It should sound sharp and clear, like this, S. Now, for the SH sound. Pull your tongue back a little bit. Make a wider stream of air. The sound should be soft and smooth, like this, SHHHHH. Let's practice both sounds together. Practice 1, the S sound. Repeat after me slowly. 6 small snakes sat in the sun. Keep your tongue close behind your teeth for every S sound. Let's say it again, clearly and slowly. 6 small snakes sat in the sun. Good. You're doing great. Practice 2, the SH sound. Now let's practice the SH sound. Remember to pull your tongue back a little and make a wider airstream. Repeat after me. She shops for shoes and shirts. Feel how your tongue moves back? That makes the softer SH sound. Let's do it again. She shops for shoes and shirts. Perfect. Practice 3, S and SH together. Now, here's a fun challenge. We'll mix both S and SH sounds in one sentence. Repeat slowly after me. Susan's fish shop sells fresh fish dishes. This sentence makes your tongue move between the S and SH positions quickly. It's very good exercise for your mouth. Let's say it one more time, a little faster. Susan's fish shop sells fresh fish dishes. Excellent work. The very hard section. Okay, now comes the warning. The next part is very difficult. Even advanced English speakers find these tongue twisters hard to say. Some of my students practice these for days or even weeks before they can say them smoothly. You don't have to do this section if you don't want to. It's only for people who want the ultimate pronunciation challenge. But if you're ready, let's go. Take a deep breath. Relax your mouth and lips. We'll go one by one, slowly at first. The fast repeat challenge. Red blood, blue blood. Say this as fast as you can 5 times. It looks easy, but it's not. Your mouth has to move quickly between the B and R sounds, and that can get very confusing. Try it. Red blood, blue blood, red blood, blue blood. How is that? Pretty tricky, right? The impossible combination. Now, this one is famous all over the world. It's one of the hardest tongue twisters in English. Repeat after me slowly. The 6 sick sheep is sick. Wow, that's a mouthful. It has sounds that almost never go together in normal English sentences. That's why it's called the impossible combination. Try it again, very slowly. The 6 sick sheep is sick. If you can say that smoothly, congratulations. You're amazing. The long challenge. Here comes a long one. This one is funny and very famous. Repeat after me. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? It's long, it's repetitive, and your mouth has to keep moving nonstop. Say it slowly first, then try a little faster. Ready? Go. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That was great. The science challenge. This next one is so hard that scientists have actually studied it. They say it's one of the most difficult sound combinations in the English language. Here it is. Pad kid poured curd pulled cod. Say that 10 times fast if you can. Your mouth and tongue will get completely confused, and that's the point. Try it slowly. Pad kid poured curd pulled cod. Good. That's enough. Don't worry if it sounds strange. Even native speakers struggle with this one. If you can do this, you are truly amazing. You did it. Congratulations, my friend. You just finished the complete Super English Talks tongue twister training. That was not easy, but you worked hard and you did great. Your mouth is now stronger than when you started. The muscles in your mouth have practiced making many difficult English sounds. Your brain has learned new patterns for English pronunciation. And something wonderful will happen soon. In the next few days, you'll notice that English words feel easier to say. Your pronunciation will sound clearer, smoother, and more natural. Native speakers will understand you more easily. And most importantly, you'll feel more confident when you speak. Remember, the secret to getting better is practice. Come back to this lesson once every week. Each time you practice, it will feel easier and your pronunciation will keep improving. Learning English pronunciation takes time and patience. But with exercises like these, you can make amazing progress. Keep working hard. Keep practicing. And always believe in yourself. Thank you so much for practicing with me today here at Super English Talks. I'm proud of you. Remember to speak English every day, even for a few minutes. Practice these tongue twisters often, and be proud of how far you've come. You're doing great, and you're getting better every single day. Good luck with your English journey. See you next time, and keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep shining.